Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm going to do a quick Walmart haul with you. I'm not going to do groceries or anything like that, but I wanted to show you, I told you in the Dollar Tree haul that there is an easy way to make those box signs for way cheaper than you would, buying wood at the Home Depot, etc. So now, when I'm talking about box signs, I'm talking about signs like this, and I'm actually going to do some and show you. But little signs like this, you'd be surprised, they can go for $9, $10 depending. Anyway, I'm going to show you how to recreate something like that with whatever saying you want, really cheap. I happened to get this idea from a fellow YouTuber who I have linked. I can't remember her name right now, but I'm going to link it in the description. But she told me that she buys cheap box signs when they go on clearance, either on Holler or Walmart or whatever, and makes different signs with them. So when I pass these by, now this is the back, so these are about $5 a piece. Okay, which isn't even that bad if you wanted to make a sign and you got it at $4.88. Not even that bad, but they were on clearance for $1. Okay, so they are wood. They are a box sign. They were in a 4th of July theme, but I can easily paint these. I can paint them with chalkboard paint and put a white thing. I can do whatever I want. I swear that way. They already have the hanging hardware on them. Okay, I think this one I just knocked, some of them got knocked off, I think, but they have the little lip here to hang it, and then I'll show you. I knocked a couple, I think that's what I just knocked off. They have it here, or you could put your own sawtooth hanger. So you can hang it either way, and I can just paint over them. So they had like 8 of them, and this lady kind of made me like a little bit. I'm trying to get them in the Walmart, and it's in the garden section, and I didn't even know about these, just ran into them randomly. But she's like wanting me to move and stuff, and I'm like, so I just pull my cart over, because normally I've gotten to the point where, wait a minute, I'm looking at something. When someone else is looking at something and their cart is all the way over, I'm not going to make them move. Like, she wanted me to get out of there, and I'm just like, no. So I finished getting the ones I needed, and I just said, oh, I'm not done looking here. I'm not done. And I just made sure I was all the way over, and she passed me with like a huff. And so good, have a great day, and just stop getting so crazy about stuff like that. But anyway, so I picked up 8 of them. That's what they had. And I'm excited to find some sayings and do these in a couple of different ways, with chalkboard paint, with craft paints. But even my husband was impressed, because you're not going to be able to make a wood box like this for under $1 at all. Even if you have the wood around the house, it's going to clear your time, and everything is worth so much more. So I was really, really excited about that, because I've been looking at a lot of saying signs on, even on Zulily, but they're like $10 a piece. So look at this. I can put my own, you can print it out. There's an easy way. I saw from another YouTuber how you can stencil it on there, and I have my own stencils. And then I thought this was super cute, like to have in the background, even of videos, just for fun. This was an applause sign, LED, and it was normally $7.88. It was on clearance for $2. It was on clearance for $2. So I picked that up, and here you can try it out. A little try me button. And I just thought, isn't that cute? Just have in the background when you're making a video sometime, or just, for a funny thing for $2. You really couldn't beat that. And then I got these paints. This is lipstick red. This is burnt ember. I'm going to use these for lettering. And I got this white Sharpie paint pen. I also got this stain, wood stain in a antique white. I'm going to use this instead of chalk paint. Chalk paint is so expensive, and I'm going to use this for my sign. I think it's going to turn out great. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please stay tuned. I have a lot of things coming up, a lot of DIYs. We're going to show you how we do the driveway and all that good stuff. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. And I'll talk to you guys soon. Have a great day. Bye-bye.